Meaning of dressy.
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 Dressy. Dressy is an adjective used to describe an outfit or clothing that is formal, stylish, and elegant. It typically refers to attire that is appropriate for a special occasion, such as a wedding, a gala, or a fancy dinner. Dressy clothing often features embellishments such as sequins, lace, or embroidery, and is made from high-quality materials. The goal of dressing in a dressy manner is to create a sophisticated and polished appearance that is sure to impress others and make a statement. Overall, dressy clothing is all about looking your best and feeling confident in any formal setting.